Hey everyone, and welcome to Car Smarts. I'm Alex. Today we're cutting through the confusion around buying new tires. It's a purchase you only make every few years, but it affects your safety every single day. We're going to break down the 3 key steps to choosing the right rubber for your ride, all in under 3 minutes. Step 1. Decode your tire size. You don't need a mechanics degree for this, just a good set of eyes. Look at the side of your current tire. You'll see a string of characters like this one. P215, 65R15, 95H. That first P means it's for a passenger vehicle. 215 is the width in millimeters. 65 is the height of the sidewall. The smaller the number, the sportier the ride. R15 tells you the wheel diameter in inches. But here's the pro tip. Don't just copy the old tire if you're not sure it's correct. Open your driver's side door and look at the sticker inside the door jamb. That sticker lists the manufacturer recommended size and the optimal air pressure. This is your foundation. Never stray from these numbers without professional advice. Step 2 is all about geography. You need tires that handle the weather where you drive. The choice basically boils down to 3 categories. All-season tires are the default for a reason. They use a medium soft compound that offers reliable performance in dry, wet, and light snowy conditions. If you live in a place with mild winters, these work just fine. Summer tires are specialized for speed and grip. They use a softer rubber designed to stick better in heat and rain. They give you superior braking and handling in warm weather. But the moment the temperature drops near freezing, that rubber hardens up like a hockey puck. They are unsafe in the winter. Winter tires are essential if you deal with ice and heavy snow. The unique tread pattern is designed to grip slush, and the rubber stays flexible in freezing temperatures, providing dramatically better stopping power when you need it most. The safest strategy for snowy areas? Get 2 sets. Summer tires for the warm months and winter tires for the cold. Step 3. Do your homework and get a quality install. When you're comparing brands, remember you usually get what you pay for. Premium brands like Michelin or Bridgestone often last longer and have better safety tech than budget options. Don't just rely on marketing jargon. Check out independent reviews from places like Consumer Reports. They conduct rigorous, unbiased testing you can trust. Once you buy them, installation is key. You need them professionally mounted and balanced to ensure a smooth, safe ride and to make sure they wear evenly. A good shop can also check your car's alignment, which is critical for making those new tires last. So there you have it. Know your size, match your climate, and buy smart. A little knowledge goes a long way toward keeping you safe on the road. I'm Alex with Car Smarts. Drive safe, everyone.